Hey guys, we're going to do Tuesday on your DMR number 32. If you're having trouble with doing problems on your DMR, make sure that you're rewatching this video, okay? So Tuesday is a word problem. You can use a calculator if you have one at home for your word problems, okay? So it says Jim bought a pack of 132 pencils. Jim bought 132 packs of pencils and each pack had 24 pencils in it. So that's step number one. And he wanted to split the pencils between 18 of his friends. Okay, that's number two. How many pencils will he have left over? That's number three. So the first step is we have to figure out how many pencils he has all together. So we're going to do 132 packs with 24 pencils in each. Okay, so we're going to multiply 132 times 24. So this should give us a total of 3,168 pencils. Then the second step says that he wants to split them with 18 of his friends. So we are going to divide by 18 and see if he has any leftovers, okay? So 18 into 31, no. 18 into 31, so 18 times 2 would be 36, so we can only do it one time. Okay, so 31 minus 18 is 13. Bring down the 6. Okay, we need to figure out how many times 18 can go into 136. So you can try different, like 18 times 5. If we do 18 times 5, it's 90. So let's try to get closer. Let's do 18 times 7. Ooh, 18 times 7 is 126. So I'm going to stick with that, okay? So 136 minus 126 is 10. And then bring down the 8. So 18 times 6 is 108. So if you look at the division, the problem says how many pencils does he have left over? Well, if he divides his pencils out, each friend gets 176 pencils, and then your remainder is all the way at the bottom, and it says we have none left over. Okay? 0 pencils. There's your division. Okay, number 2. What are the prime factors for the number 28? So I'm going to show you a different way that you can factor a number, okay? It's called using a factor tree, okay? You ready? It's something new, so just pay attention. So think of 2 numbers that multiply together to give you 28. So 7 times 4 equals 28. Okay, got it? I want you to look at the 2 numbers. If you see any that are prime, circle it. If the next number is composite, like 4, you need to give it 2 more branches and think of 2 more numbers that multiply together to get you 4. So I know 2 times 2 gets me 4. Okay, go do a prime check. 2 is prime and so is 2. So we need to list all the prime factors of 28. So C is the best fit. Okay, 2 times 2 times 7. 2 times 2 times 7. Okay, that's something new, so put it in your math strategies bag, okay? Now, number 3. Number 3 is new because we're looking for area and we're looking for perimeter. Area is the space inside a figure, and perimeter is the rim of an object. So we're going to find the area and perimeter of object 1, object 2, and object 3. And then it says we're going to circle the 2 shapes that have the same perimeter but different areas, okay? So let's go in and find area. Area, all we have to do is count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Now, for the perimeter, we're going to count around the rim of the object. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, watch me do the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, oh, I missed a box right here on the perimeter for this one. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, sorry. Made it up. Oh, see? Gotta check through behind my work. So the two shapes that have the same perimeter, different areas. These two have the same perimeter of 14, but their areas are different. One is 12, one is 10. Okay? Hope that helped. Use different colored pens if that helps you. All right. Number 4. Number 4 is division. Can you see it? Try to move it a little bit. Okay, it says divide 735 by 8. Okay? We're going to do some division. Can you see my division? Here it is. All right, 8 can't go into 7. 8 can go into 73. How many times? 8 times 9 is 72. How many times can 8 go into 15? 1 time. Remainder 7. See that? So the answer is D. Awesome. Don't use a calculator for that one. I want to see your work, okay? All right, number 5. This is one where we need to look at the graph, okay? We might need to write on the graph. It says each year the price of a movie ticket goes up. Between what 2 years did the ticket increase in price the most? Okay, so from year 1 to year 2, it went from 5 to 6, so it went up $1. Okay, do you see what I did? So from year 2 to 3, it went from 6 to 7, it went up $1. From 3 to 4, it went from 7 to 8, it went up $1. From year 4 to 5, it went from $8 to $10, so it went up $2. Where do you see the most increase? I see the most increase from year 4 to year 5. Okay, and the information is right there in the graph. Just use the graph, okay? Awesome.